afternoon. I hope na dey okay. God go let una dey okay, So my people, I just thank all of una when they sustain me, when still they help me, when still they give me advice. God will bless all of una. So I thank una. So now know my name, not Solo Africa Ekuchina, Chef Lovett. So I thank all of una when they subscribe, when still they share my video. God will bless all of una. So all part of the world, when they look me, when still they share my video, when still that is, God will bless una. God will bless una. So when I still they sustain mama, okay, So when I still they subscribe for mama, God will bless una. So now they do one. So una house and also happiness una go they get, my people. Mona no worry, mama dey there, go they pray with una. They follow, that is, I go they pray, okay, for una, make it still better for una, my people. We don't come Europe. Now Africa you did, now America you did, all part of the world when you did. God must surely protect you, my people. No worry. But make you let ear clean, okay? Now that one mama they always they talk, okay? Even though say they cut your hair, go put for anything, you know go reach where you did because ear they clean. You know they do bad against anybody. So God must surely bless you and God must surely protect you, my people. So I just get small thing this afternoon, this morning when I want just prepare for now. You know, say mama, and they prepare food, and they do other, not be only food that they prepare, many things where mama still know what see they do. So I don't do this kumino. And they always they do this cumin. They call it cumin, Yeah, cumin. So and they always they do one, they boil and they drink. Me, I don't still use them for video one time, several times when I do one. Okay, because it did very nice. That's why they continue they do one. You feel do one. That is you feel use them in any way. You feel boil them, and one thing you feel even eat them. We feel that is if you put them for yogurt, eat them like that without you not boil them. It's still they okay. But the yogurt when you go, that is when you go put on that white yogurt when not too sweet. But this now my own. That 0.01% now they always eat for yogurt, okay? Like this one now, you go take one spoon like this, put them for inside the yogurt, mix them, you drink the yogurt, that's you eat the yogurt, okay? Like this said on this one, now so I will write the name for them, okay? So una see, okay, like this one now, I get lemon, So I get cumin, okay? And they always they do video of cumin because it did nice well. So like this, waiting I want prepare now. They're very good for body, for blood. Maybe somebody just get you get kata. Maybe you get the fico or anything. Good. And this one I'll come add them, put for inside when I don't grind them. And they're very good. And still they make person they get strong body. And you will see it good for many things. This Presemo also with this thing, So and this one they make person they come down. You want lose weight, it is very nice. So that's why I want to use another method on local. And I get many things. Many that is enough many way when we use this thing, okay? So make I just put them for here, make I grind them, okay, my people? So now so. Okay. Put everything inside. Put water. Take grinder. Okay. Okay. I dey come in. If I don't grind them, I'll see show now. If I don't grind, I'll see show now. Okay. Okay. So I don't grind like say as it can be. So this one now, some people they drink her like this, but I'll come put them for here, come fit around. So now the water I need. So later when I don't do everything finish, I'll come add one lemon inside. Come put this one inside so that drink her like that. Still good like that. I'll still show you the way I'll take you. Very simple, my people. Okay? Okay, my people. So I don't come back. So make I show now. Ah yeah. So make I show now. Today I'm not carrying my big boot. So you know, say if you say make you come they do something fast. Now then you come they jam one tea when we say yes. Please spoil everything. So now so my people. So now you know say me I like wearing it. So you see now I don't do one now, Like I use this small spoon. So you see as it can be. So now the water, now you see for here, so So now, okay, But make I shift and come here before. Okay, so lemon, Just put that inside. Okay. Lemon self water not too much there, but it's okay. So lemon there okay. Okay. Let's still look what I still there. Much water on the bed. It's okay. So my people, you see, they're very easy. Okay, where's this one? So you see now, very easy. Okay. Now I'll come take my cumin. Cumin. Only 1 spoon like this. No. So, okay. 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 Come mix them together. Drink them. They're okay for blood. They're okay for cholesterol. They're okay for many things, okay? So my people. Okay, there you go. Okay, my people. So now, this is not my yogurt. If you don't want to eat it like this, if you don't want to eat it like this kumini, you don't want to drink it like this. If you want to boil the kumini, you are free. If you boil it 10 minutes, okay? If you don't like it like this because of the seed, this is not my yogurt, okay? Okay. Taste more. Put for inside the yogurt. But I put on for here before you pass it away. Okay. Mix that inside, okay? Okay. So. Mix them. So eat them. They're different. If you boil them. If not boil, you want boil them. Still they okay. If not you want it raw, it's still okay. So far make it work for body, okay? This is not the water with lemon, okay? Gonna end with this one. Make a drink. They're very nice. If you do one for us, this what they call this one. The taste you get as it be. Maybe you not feel like them. But the work when it work, well, there's no anything that is person want drink medicine, not be say must sweet, okay. This one is good for digesting, for blood, for cholesterol, for tutti, for that is for heart, for heart, so it good well, okay. And if you want prepare am, now boil you want see boil am, no cost for alarm. If you boil am 10 minutes, as you dey boil am, go yellow well, okay. Go yellow. See, they make person they urinate well. But if you want boil am, make you drink this one. You want boil this one, make you drink am only 4 times a day. Only 4 times a day. Not be like maybe like other thing when they boil like lemon with other thing. When we say yes, you go they boil together. When we say you feel they drink am anytime, this one only 4 times a day you feel drink am. This very one when I show myself only 4 times. When you eat in the afternoon, no, when you eat before you eat, maybe that kind of when people they eat, you don't eat finish, you drink am. Around maybe now 7 or 8 you take they eat, you drink am, you still drink am more. One this thing again, 1 cup, okay. If now morning you want to drink am, you drink your own in the morning. After when you don't boil am, when you don't cook, you put am for fridge, okay. If you drink am for morning, drink am for afternoon when you don't eat, around 12 or 1 when you take the eat, you drink am. In the evening when you don't eat evening food, you drink am. Before you go bed, you drink am. So now so they take the drink am, okay. Only 4 times a day, okay. Make you know say this is day very powerful. I dey drink am, dey nice. Not be always to make person calm down. They for good many things, okay. For blood when they high, for heart, for that is it's something just too good, okay. So my people, make you still go try your own the way I take do my own. So you know say mama they cook for all of una. So mama wants make una see calm down. And not be say mama go they bring food, may we eat. Mama they calm down. Una they do una that is una can't be like a oropoto. No, I want una calm down, una fine. Not say as mama be now. So mama they slimy, not be say I don't sleep finish, but I dey okay like this. I don't want call the follow children, call the drag slimy or no, all these fine girls when you know their body be like sweet, that fine body when they get. So at least woman will sit there, you go dey maintain yourself. When you go come out, you know see Kim Kardashian mama, you know see as e be. So she go come out now, her children go come out now, they love their mother like that. Because the woman no, you don't want to hear anything. So the woman want just maintain herself. That thing when she they do, they make her happy. So my people, make you still do wetin go still make you happy. Always. I don't say yes, nobody care, but you know, when woman no get belle, not be say woman no, if you get belle na problem. Except you pregnant, that is you get belle, you want born. But if you're not pregnant, your belly just big, 1 day here. Even myself, before man go they even climb you yourself, you don't tire because you know if you perform anything, okay. But at least when you go there, can't like this, you don't say as mama dinner, me I not get belly, okay. So I want to make una see they okay. Mona not see get the belly. Not be say person not go get belly. If you get the belly, but not be say you go come big like this. When you go wear trouser, go come cut it to 2, 1 go they go here 1. No, but I want Mona just say okay. Mona build herself. As mama just say so. So Mona try this thing when I do so. It dey very okay. And if you want to see how the one had any other thing put like this one at the comment. If you want to see how ginger put, say maybe you want them quick, if you add ginger put. But as me, I tell they do this one, no ginger, okay? Ginger with lemon, if you boil that one together, it's just different thing, okay? This one, no ginger they go. They don't they put ginger for this one. This one are just different thing, okay? Don't add ginger on it, okay? If you want to use them, no ginger, okay, my people? So, make I say drink my may I drink my yogurt jarege. Nagborerezi o da wari emi egero e you got there emi wa na wari o ewo wari emi Mm, 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 mm. Una so the taste get as e be. I see say make I just see show this one. Even me when you dey eat am sef, get as e be for mouth, but you know wetin you dey eat am. Okay, you know why you dey eat am. If you fat even though sef you no fat, e still good for body. Good for body, go make you dey king, okay? Go make you dey king, my people. So I will soon and later because you know say that thing when I do yesterday, that lasagna, we will eat am today. So all of us go still eat am together. You know say mama dey cook, we will eat together, okay? Okay. Even though say we not throw the thing, swallow am. You know the work when you want work for inside your body. Because me now I dey chew on that side. Just drink and swallow and everything go be like say so just do one like that, okay, my people. So I thank all of una. God will bless una. Bless una family. I greet everybody. God will bless una. Beg, more na suffering. God will bless una. So I will see una later, my people. Bye bye.